Hey there, creative souls! Today, we're diving into the world of fashion and crafting, bringing a touch of vintage charm to a beloved doll. Join me as I dress our Paola Reina beauty in an outfit I designed and made with love. This isn't just about dressing a doll, it's about creating a story. I'm using beautiful, natural materials to capture a sweet and timeless style. The soft pink linen jumpsuit is comfortable and effortlessly chic, ideal for everyday adventures. A delicate, hand-stitched Peter Pan collar blouse, perfect for a touch of classic elegance. To keep Paola Reina warm, I am adding a hand-knitted blue cardigan with a delicate white jacquard pattern. It's a perfect blend of texture and color, and it complements the rosy hues of the outfit beautifully. No outfit is complete without a touch of whimsy, so I am topping it all off with a hand-knitted bunny hat. It's the sweetest accessory, adding a playful charm to the look. This entire outfit is a celebration of handmade artistry. Each stitch, each button, tells a story of creativity and passion. I believe that every creation, no matter how small, is an expression of our unique selves. It's a way to share a piece of our heart with the world. If you're inspired to create your own doll fashions, I encourage you to give it a try. There's a world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Don't forget to check out my detailed tutorial for knitting the cardigan and bunny hat. The links are in the description below. Let's create something beautiful together.